Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today we're going to be looking at Vont LED light strips, and we're going to check how easy it is to actually connect to one of these Amazon devices. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and also product link is down below if you like this. So right now I have in my hands Vont LED light strips, and this one is their smaller one, so it's about 16.4 feet, and on Amazon it's going for about $19.99, and they have a 25% off coupon. But they have another one which is a little bigger, which is their 32.8 feet in length type edition, and that one is going for roughly about $35.99, and again about a 25% off coupon when you put it in your cart type of deal. But looking at this, once you get out of the box, you want to unreel it, because if you actually try it and turn it on, you're going to have it like overheat, since these do put off a little heat, and they are cuttable if you're wondering. So if you have a certain length that you want, you can just snip it right there and it's good. But also, if you want to do different things, since you see a lot of these LED lights being used in different scenes, such as a game room or your family room right behind the TV, and if you're going to install these behind a TV, I'd probably say you should purchase one of those 90-degree angle clips, because if not, when you put this on the back, you would have to do a loop configuration to make it, work back there, because you can't really just bend it and crimp it like that, because kind of losing about 4 to 6 inches in length on there. But right out of the box, yeah, you get the lights itself. Let's see what else here. You get some wall mounting clips, which have some 3M and screws. So if the adhesive on the back of these don't work out, if you have that, you do have one little alcohol prep wipe. So they give you instructions, and they also have an app, which I'll show you how easy it is to download that here in a second. Then they actually want you to sign up to get some free stuff from them, which is a nice thing. They also give you one of these scratch off ticket things, which looks like I want a smart LED bulb. But yeah, just want to give you a heads up. They did send me this out just to make a video, so you do what you want with this information. I'm not trying to sell you, but so far I like them, and right now I have it on blue, my favorite color. And then also, this is one thing, they do have a lifetime warranty. So right when you purchase it, you have about, or when you receive it, it says you have about 72 hours to activate that lifetime warranty. So if you have the issue, which I know with a lot of LED light strips, you see some of these going out due to the little resistors, or if you have a connector and only part of your strand is lighting one color and then the other one is doing something different, you can easily contact them, and I bet they'd love to send you another one for free, and probably even an extra one. Who knows? So the other thing, they do give you a little hand controller. You do have a on and off, so just like that. Then you do have a middle button right here, which is their color changer. So right now I can just go through different colors. And then you do have a dual function button on the bottom, which this you can change to different modes. So right now I have a flash, then you can up more beat and stuff. But one of these is like what do you call it? The one that is a little sensitive to sound type of deal. So I don't know if there's a little mic on the side that it senses music and stuff like that. So then it will go and adjust to the sound of music and stuff like that. I'll find that one here in a second. And as you can see, when I speak to the thing right now, it's flashing, so that's what it'll do with music too. But it's on like a fade mode, so if it's completely silent, right now it'll just do a little flash like that. But also, if you do hold down on that button for the manual mode, actually let's do this first. Get in the main color here. But if you hold down, that's how you can actually adjust the brightness. So dim, and then it's going to slowly brighten up, and then you can figure out what level you like. So that's the handheld. And then of course It's just a normal plug into the wall. So it's not a USB if you're wondering what type of power source. And then there is also a low 3M patch right there on the back. So you can put that on the wall or wherever you're wanting to install these. All right, so let's go actually install the app and see how easy it is to hook it up to our Amazon device. All right, gonna do a little screen recording here, but I just shut off the lights here for a second. So I'm gonna have this fully dark so you can actually, see how the app interface is with these lights and get a little better view of them too. All right, so since I have an Android, I'm gonna go into the Play Store here and then I'm gonna type in Vont Home App. And then you just download it there, you set up your account, or I think they even give you an option to skip. But I set one up, so I'm just gonna open up the app. And then I already have my light strips connected, but if you wanted to, let's see, I can actually maybe take these off or forget them here and show you how to, here we go, delete device. There we go, device has been deleted. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how I add this. So add device, it's already showing me right there. All right, confirm these LED strips. Then you select your Wi-Fi and then you actually enter in your password. So I'm just gonna do this a little off camera here. So then it's loading again. So this kind of gives you the option later on to connect, wirelessly and make that connection to your smart home device. All right, so right now they even show you can, let's see, schedule this, change the brightness through the little dial there. Then I'm just gonna actually select blue again because that's my color. But yeah, they have different settings, scenes, relax. So, it would be fading into different colors. I don't know. Okay, DIYs, make your own stuff. But then here's that music one. So like I said, it would go with your voice or what music you're playing. And then you do have a sensitivity. So you can increase, decrease, depending on, how much you want these to flash. And also, this is right now on calm, but you also have the dynamic mode too. So that's the faster flash right now. So if you have a seizure, sorry there. And then you have your color wheel, and you can change out that stuff, but I'm going back to blue and my solid. But yes, let's go now. Plug in our Echo here. Let me grab that AC here. There we go. And lighting up. So I'm just going to put it down here. And so all you have to do is actually go back to that main screen where you have your LED light strips there showing. And like I said, I have the 16-foot one there. So then there's a little user person. So it's that person in that bubble next to the home on the right side. Click on that. Then you go over here, Smart Integrations. Select the Alexa. Actually, let me get mine off mute there. Link. Let me hit later and hit link here. And there we go. Congratulations, you're linked. And then I even got something from both Vont and Alexa. Hit got it.
Okay.
Oops, she's already speaking. And then I'm going to go back here to the home, settings. I'm going to change my device name to something I want to call it. So I'm going to call it Bright Light right now. Confirm. So now whenever I would speak about these lights, I can tell Alexa, dim bright light to 50%.
Okay.
And there we go. She did it like that. So you have to, if you want to change your brightness, you have to speak like the percent level. So if I say, Alexa, turn bright light to 100%.
Okay.
There we go, just like that. And then same thing with colors and things. It's just that simple. So later on, if you're sitting on the couch watching a movie or whatever, and say this is flashing, or you want to set the mood, so go, Alexa, turn bright light to red.
Okay.
There we go, just like that. Alrighty, and that's really all I can tell you about these lights playing wise. So I'm gonna have to soon put them in a spot that I want, but this was a quick little unboxing review telling you what you can do and show you how easy it is to set up with your smart device like that. Because if you actually look inside Amazon's app and then search for Vont, you will not actually find this product in there. So you have to do it through Vont's app. And then same thing, you can do it also with your Google Home as well. So, alrighty. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I said, product link is down below. And you guys have a good one. Alexa, turn off bright light.
Okay.